Here at IKEA, Bloomington, Minnesota. There's Alex.
Exactly what he said.
You go ahead. These are MEI that were possibly installed by shipment. There, one. Jump over here. Pretty standard IKEA elevator. There's a bunch of others that are like these as well.
Takes forever to start though.
Yeah. Some fixtures.
Innovation decorator.
Capacity is 10,000 pounds. That's the indicator here.
It just said 3 for like a split second.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't even catch that. That's weird.
Alright, we'll end up on 1 because we got to go over there anyways. You can go ahead and press if you want. There's the movie walk over there.
That may or may not work today.
It was running.
One.
These are big doors, like Menard size.
Yeah.